this is Mishti.
Hey guys, this is Seerat Kapoor. Acha, tell me one thing. How much did you charge for this film?
Actually, it was a. How much did you charge actually?
Why are you asking me that? I asked you that.
So what? I mean, I also have a right to know. If you want to know my remuneration, I also have a right to
But
know.
first you give me the answer, no? Then I'll tell you my remuneration.
Well, why should I give you the answer? You know, this is a very personal question to ask.
What do
You
you
don't have
mean
the
it's
minimum
personal?
professional values.
What professional values? We bonded so well. What do you mean by this?
So what? There are some personal things. You know, I cannot share everything.
Okay,
with
fine.
You.
So tell me about your personal life, like your boyfriend.
Oh, boyfriend. You know, actually, guys fall for me so easily. So obviously, you tell me about yours.
Why do guys fall for you? What is so like great about you?
What is so great about me? I mean, everything is great about me.
Like?
Well, you don't irritate me. You tell me about yourself.
What do you want to know?
Tell me about your boyfriends.
I don't have a boyfriend.
You don't have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
What a lie.
I don't have a boyfriend.
Quite natural.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, quite natural.
What is so natural about not having a boyfriend?
You only said you don't have a boyfriend, and you know, like at this age, you don't have a boyfriend. It means
1 second. What do you mean this age? There's an age now to have a boyfriend?
yeah, obviously.
Okay,
I mean,
which age according to you
I mean,
needs?
like, you will cross the age to have boyfriends in few years. You better make one now.
What is a boyfriend got to do with age?
Obviously, I mean, like this is the age to have boyfriends. What do you guys think? And
I think they're all laughing at you right now.
she's still single, and don't you think there's something abnormal with her?
1 second. Please clarify that. What do you mean by abnormal?
Abnormal is see, I cannot say this on national channel, so
You already said enough, right? So now might as well.
I just want to say there must be something abnormal about you, and even the director is laughing. Even he thinks something. Is
Where's the
abnormal
director?
about you.
He's looking at you with straight eyes saying, oh my god, these people need to shut up right
Oh,
now.
what a liar. The director is actually appreciating my question. He's a devil himself.
Okay,
and
so
he
how
is-
many boyfriends have you had since like it's an age apparently?
I had many, you know, because you know guys fall for me easily, but I don't fall for people easily.
Why don't you fall for people?
Because you see, I have too many options to choose from.
Like not people?
Not like you.
I'm not asking you to choose from me. I don't want to be in your option list of falling in love.
I have a love story.
ప్రతి ఎదవికి 2-3 లవ్ స్టోరీలు ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్.
How are your costumes more expensive than mine in the film?
I mean, that's a very stupid question to ask. It's the director's call. He chose to give me better costumes because obviously I'm planning.
Really? Director's call. I heard some other things.
What did you hear?
Like those things.
What things?
Like apparently I think Sumant like arranges costumes and all for you.
I mean, like, do you think Sumant is the costume designer? I thought he is the hero of the film.
He's the hero, but he takes care of all your needs, right?
Why would Sumant take care of all my needs? I mean, like, how? What a stupid question to ask.
No, I've been hearing it's all over. The whole team came and told me, oh, Mishti's got this and that.
Oh,
I've got
really?
nearly half the costumes with me. All the costumes are new for you.
That's my character.
I think I know where all of this started. I think we all know where all of this started.
What do you mean?
You remember the car sequence? You want to tell everybody about the car sequence?
Oh, come on. It was just a simple romantic scene where we did not hear the cut and we were on with the scene. That's it. I mean, what else? I mean, like,
No, tell them in detail.
what has that to do with the costumes? I don't understand.
So what happened is now these two actors were shooting a scene in a car. Okay, it's a very romantic scene which you see in the trailer, and apparently it was raining. There was a rain effect.
There was a rain effect. It was not raining.
The windows were up.
Yeah,
There was steam on all the windows.
I mean, was it our call? Obviously, Suman's dad was sitting there and Miss Raju sir was sitting there.
No, so that was the scene. That's fine. But then 10 minutes, and these guys have not heard the cut, and they're carrying on with their romance.
See, that's why I say she's so dumb, you see, when the glasses are up and when it is raining outside. How do you hear a simple cut? I mean, like, that's
Well,
very obvious.
it's called being attentive and like being more connected to the director and not into your actor. Like,
You know, you should always have a good chemistry with your actor. You couldn't build that, that's your problem.
see, the chemistry occurs, I agree, but that should like stop once cut stops, right?
I mean, we did not hear the cut. I mean, what's the big deal in that?
Hey ఇంజనీరింగ్ పాస్ అయింది ప్రేమ కోసం సార్. దాన్ని నేను వదులుకోలేను.
How can you ask such a question?
Because it's a very normal question to ask, right? So
It's not a normal question to ask. This is ill-mannered.
no, I mean you're senior. You have so many boyfriends, and apparently you know.
I'm senior. We started at the same time. We have the same age.
But
group.
we're not
In
senior
fact-
when it comes to boyfriends. No,
in
you're
fact-
like so experienced
in
and
fact,
all.
I'm not. I didn't say I'm experienced. I said guys fall for me easily.
But you said you have many boyfriends.
I did not say I have many boyfriends. I
She's
said
such
that
a liar. She just said she has so many
no,
boyfriends.
I just said that boys fall for me easily. I did not say that I fall
You
for
said
them.
there's a certain age to have
You-
boyfriends, and you have a boyfriend, and
Yeah, this is a
you
certain-
have a boyfriend.
I did not say I have a
Okay,
boyfriend.
whichever
but then this
boyfriend
is
she
the-
has, I think he needs to run away because now first she agrees to it, then she disagrees.
Yeah, and now I understand why she doesn't have many boyfriends or even one boyfriend
I
actually.
don't think I need to answer that.
Yeah, even I don't think we need to talk about this boyfriend matter
I think
anymore.
we should just stop here and like just stick to Columbus because
Yeah, actually, we should actually stick to Columbus
I
because
think
this
we're really
girl
glad
is
we
out of her
catch
mind.
I am out of my
And-
mind. I haven't slept
Yeah,
in a month
actually,
days.
actually, she has not slept. She is out of her mind, and plus, she does not have a boyfriend. So obviously, she is very frustrated.
So that means you have a boyfriend and hence you're not frustrated.
It's not that I have a boyfriend and I'm not frustrated. It's just that I'm a very calm personality. You know, I'm not immature like you.
You need to be a calm personality to have a boyfriend.
Did I say that?
Yes, you did.
You are interpreting it your own way.
No, you said you're calm and so you're.
No, I said I'm calm because I'm matured. And you think I'm calm because I have a boyfriend. That's your interpretation, not
Okay,
mine.
so you're.
Yes. This film has been one of the finest experiences of my life. You know, I'm sure she also has the same views about this film. This is one film which is very close to our heart, and this is a complete entertainer. This is a complete family film, and this is people might be wondering whether this is a love triangle, whether because there are two heroines, one hero, whether it's a love triangle, but that's not really exactly true. Now you tell them what it is exactly like.
So, guys, the film basically stands, of course, the bottom concept is love, and it's about different characters discovering love in their own journeys. It's a very unusual script, very different, nothing to what your predictions are, and our producers have been very kind to give us this opportunity to work under them. Our director Ramesh has done a fantastic job, with dealing with all the actors, Sumant, Mishti, and all of us. I think we've thoroughly enjoyed
And,
this.
dealing with the car scene.
Anyways, so going back to Columbus, we just hope that our hard work pays off and you guys enjoy the film as much as we've had, our share of enjoyment through the journey of it. So we really hope to see you at the theatres on the 22nd, and thank you so much for all your love and support as always.
I have a love story.
ప్రతి ఎదవికి 2-3 లవ్ స్టోరీలు ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్.
Hi, this is Mishti.
Hey guys, this is Sira Kapoor. Go discover love on the
22nd of October with Columbus.
ఇక్కడ అందరూ నాలాగే ఉన్నారు. ప్రతి బతుకులో సీత గారు ఉన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు అనిపిస్తుంది ప్రేమ యుద్ధంలో కూడా ఉంటుంది, ఎక్కడైనా ప్రేమ యుద్ధంలానే ఉంటుంది.